This little spring chick made out of pipe cleaners is super easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 4 yellow extra fuzzy pipe cleaners. You can use the regular kind as well. 1 orange pipe cleaner, a pencil, a thick marker, craft glue, googly eyes, and fingernail clippers. Wrap one of the yellow pipe cleaners around a pencil by holding the end of it against the pencil and coiling it around one loop right on top of the other. Tuck in the end and remove it from the pencil. Set this aside, that will be the head. Take another yellow pipe cleaner and wrap it around a thick marker in the same manner, one coil right on top of the other. Add another pipe cleaner to the current bundle, wrapping it around to make the thick body. Remove it from the marker. Now cut the last pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Thread 1/2 of the pipe cleaner through the top coils of the chick's body. Then bend each side in half and send the end back into the coils to hide the end. Bend the chick's wings just a little up and toward the front. Thread the orange pipe cleaner through the middle bottom coil of the headpiece. This is the bundle that you rolled around the pencil. Push it through so it's halfway and then bend it at the coil. Send the 2 ends down through the middle coil of the body. This will attach the head to the body. Spread the legs out a little bit and then use the fingernail clippers to cut about 1 1/4 inch tails at the end of each leg. Tightly coil up each end of the orange pipe cleaner to make the chick's feet. Bend the coil up so that it will sit flat against the table. Cut a piece of one of the extra ends of orange pipe cleaner to about 3/4 of an inch and bend it into a beak shape. Insert the ends into the middle coil on the head. You can use a little glue to hold it in place if you like. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes. Use a generous amount of glue and stick the eyes in place. When the glue is completely dry, your chick is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for other pipe cleaner ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.